Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Abdul Muhammad. Saya ingin membacakan sebuah jurnal bahasa Inggris untuk memenuhi tugas akhir semester 6 pada mata kuliah Reading Text yang diampu oleh Bapak dosen kami yaitu Bapak Maulana Iskandar MPD. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Comparing Religious Education in Indonesia and Japan by Muhammad Agus Nur Yatno. Abstract. This paper compares the way in which religious education has been performed in Indonesia and Japan in terms of context, theory, history, policy, practice, and impact. Generally speaking, the practice of religious education in the two countries is far different in that Indonesia has strong support to religious education, while Japan has weak support to the practice of religious education. This is due to the fact that not only the characteristics of the societies of the two countries are different, but also the two do embrace different state ideology. In addition, families in the two societies play a crucial role in determining the existence and practice of religious education. Keyword: religious education, state ideology, state policy, private school, public school. Introduction. It is worth noting that with regard to religion and education, policy and ideology vary from one country to another in the world. Countries that embrace secular ideology, such as the United States, Japan, South Korea, Mexico, Uruguay, Cuba, Azerbaijan, and Kazakhstan, do not allow religious education held in public schools, but they do allow so in private schools. By contrast, Indonesia supports religious education in public schools. Moreover, the state officially demands religious education as part of school curricula. Other countries whose societies are attached to religious tradition, such as Pakistan and Malaysia, share this policy. In short, the practice of religious education (RA) in a country depends on the state ideology. There are some models of the relation of RA and state ideology. First, when when the state ideology is secular, RA is prohibited in public schools, but not in private schools. This model can be seen in the United States, Japan, South Korea, Mexico, Uruguay, and Cuba. Second, although the state ideology is secular, the majority of population belongs to certain religious tradition. Catholic, for example, RA is allowed in both public and private schools. This practice can be seen in Austria, Germany, Spain, Colombia, Chile, and Peru. Exceptional is in the cases of two former Soviet Union countries, Azerbaijan and Kazakhstan, which chose secular ideology, but the majority of their population are Muslim. They do not allow religious education taught in public schools. The third model is that when state ideology belongs to certain religion, like Islam, RA is not only permitted but is also required as part of public schools curricula. In this case, RA specifically refers to Islamic education, which consequently implies that RA in public schools refers refers to Islamic education. This is what happens in Pakistan and Malaysia, both of which hold Islam as formal state religion. The fourth model is when the state ideology is neither secular nor religion, like Indonesia. RA is not only permitted but also required in public and private schools. However, the content of RA in the fourth model is not only about Islamic teachings, but also those of other religion acknowledged by the State of Indonesia. This paper compares religious education in Indonesia and Japan in terms of social context, such policy, story, RA in schools, and student behaviors. This study tries to answer a question as the way the RA, which has strong support from state, family, and religious institutions, has little impact on student good behaviors. On the other hand, students in scholar countries, such as in Japan, who do not receive RA at all are not necessarily worse in behavior than students with RA in religious societies. B. Indonesia and Japan in comparison. To compare Indonesia and Japan, Indonesia has population around 242.3 million, whereas Japan has 126 The state ideology of Indonesia is Pancasila, while Japan adopts secular ideology. It is it seems that different state ideology contributes to different practice of RA. In Indonesia, with the Pancasila as the state ideology, religion plays a crucial role in the country. There are six religions acknowledged officially by the state: Islam, 87.2%, Christianity 7%, Hinduism 1.7%, Buddhism 0.9%, and Confucianism. In Japan, which chose secular ideology as the foundation of the nation, religion plays no significant role in the country. There is no mention of official religion in Japan, although Article 20 of its constitution guarantees religious freedom, nor is there official statistic which explain the affiliation of the population of Japan to which religion. However, according to International Religious Freedom Report published in two, 2013, based on 2011 report by the government's Agency for Cultural Affairs ACA, indicates that some religious groups claim that their members reach 196 million. This number, ironically more than the number of country's population, indicates the many citizens saw affiliation with multiple religions, and it is common for Japanese to embrace both Buddhist and Shinto belief at the same time. However, according to Edwin Ray South and Marius Johnson, 70 at 80% of the Japanese do not consider themselves believers in any religion. Indonesian population is diverse not only in terms of religions, but also ethnicities, languages, and cultures. This country has around 300 districts distinctive ethnic group and 742 different languages and dialects. The largest ethnic group is Javanese, comprising 42% of the population and are politically and culturally dominant. In terms of language, the official language is Bahasa Indonesia, and it is a compulsory lesson taught in schools from elementary to higher education. In fact, people speak one of several hundred local languages and dialects, and of these, Javanese language is the most widely spoken as the language of the largest ethnic group. By contrast, Japanese culture shows more homogeneous in terms of linguistic and cultures, as 98.5% of its population speak Japanese, whereas whereas the rest are small minority groups such as Zainichi Korea, Zainichi Chinas, Filipinos, Brazilians, mostly Japanese can, and Peruvians, mostly Japanese can. Former Japanese Prime Minister Taro Aso once declares that Japan is a nation of one race, one civilization, one language, and one culture. 1. RA Theoretical Perspective. Michael Grimmett distinguishes the three meanings of religious education, namely learning religion, learning from religion, and learning about religion. Religious education (RA) as learning religion means the transmission of religious culture, belief, and values from one generation to another generation. The function of religious education is thus to perpetuate and to hand-on religious values and tradition in society. In learning religion, model students are treated as passive beings because their position is only to receive and execute religious teaching and values from teachers. The process of transmission and transfer of these religious values is through indoctrination. The model of RA is learning from religion looks for advantage of the religion for human life. How could religion possibly contribute to solve the problems faced by human beings? What are the values of religion for human life? The RA is defined in learning from religion as that learner has positive attitude toward RA. The emphasis of RA is to seek what values of religions which can be employed to solve human problems in changing society. In this regard, there will be no critical judgment of religion because religion is treated as a source of knowledge and moral principles. Religion education and learning about religions means studying religion in a purely objective and descriptive manner, not merely absorbing or receiving religious values. This approach can be called as an objective form of teaching religion, or as learning about religion has contribution to treat religion with either criticism or appreciation. Learner has to take distance from religion because it is an object of study. In this vein, RA is carried out through scientific and dialogical ways, and critical thinking is necessary in this model of RA. Looking at the above theoretical perspective, the practice of RA in Indonesia is dominated by learning religion and learning from religion, particularly in the elementary and secondary junior and senior Higgs schools in the higher education level. These two models are still dominant with exception in higher education with specialization in religious studies, in which religion is not only seen as a doctrine that should be accepted blindly, but is also as canons which can be criticized. And in Japan, the practice of RA is closer to the model of learning religion and learning from religion for private religious-based schools. The public schools use the model of learning about religion, which can be seen in the subject of history, Japanese history and world history, ethics talking about religion, and moral education. To set policy on RA, the social context of Indonesia, where religions plays a significant role in public life, help used to understand why RA in this country is strongly supported by the state. RA is not only permitted but required to be taught in public and private schools from elementary to higher education. In Japan, the state keeps distance from religion because the country is based on secular ideology. As a result, RA is not allowed to be taught in public schools, but is allowed in private schools. From this perspective, the relation between the choice of state ideology and the way in which RA is carried out is connected. There are three articles on religious education mentioned in the Bill of Republic of Indonesia, number 20 years 2003, about national education system. Article 20.1 states that each student in the unit of education has right to receive religious education in his uh, here on faith, which is to be a teacher of that faith. Public schools do not have problems with this article because they are used to teach religion in this way. However, for private schools, particularly of those that is based on certain religion, this article is controversial for two reasons. First, this article is not in line with the right of community to higher education based on the faith of the community. And secondly, it is a big burden for these schools to provide religious teachers outside the faith embraced by these schools. In many cases, private schools based on Christianity have more Muslim students than Christians. The reason of why some Muslims families send their children to Christian schools is not because of religion, but a consideration of the school's quality. Christian schools are perceived to show good quality in terms of education. In practical level, Article 20 is not yet implemented fully, and even some Christian schools chose not to hold a regular religious education, but replace it with religiosity education or communication of faith. There are two other articles in the Bill of RE number 20 year 2003 that have relation to religious education, namely Article 30 and Article 37. Article 30 deals with religious education in terms of the order of religious education. B. The function of religious education. C. The content of education that hold religious education. And D. The forms of religious education. Article 337 talks about religious education that shall becomes elemental elements of national curriculum for elementary, secondary, and higher education levels. The three article 20, 20, 30, and 37 of the Bill of RE number 20 year 2003 elaborate entails the government's regulation number 55 year 2007 containing 6 chapter and 50 article. Article 4.5 and 6 states every unit of education provides plus an opportunity for students to perform religious service based on their religion, and plus for worship as mentioned in the article could be in the form of room in or around the unit of education that can be used by students to perform religious service. The above policy saw currently the strong support of the state to RE in Indonesia. Not only is RE included in the Bill of RE number 20 year 2003 indicating that RE is a part of national education system, but it also explained in details the content of government's regulation number 55 year 2007. In contrast, Japan does not allow RA to be taught in public schools, but is allowed in private schools. There are only two articles concerning RA in the Japanese constitution. What one is found in the Japanese constitution, Article 20, and another article is found in the Basic Act on Education 2006, Article 15. The Japanese Constitution Article 20 says freedom of religion is guaranteed to all. No religious organization shall receive any privilege from the state nor exercise any political authority. No person shall be compelled to take part in any religious acts, celebration, rite, or practice. The state and its organ shall refrain from religious education or any other religious activity. The Basic Acts on Education 2006 Article 15 states the attitude of religious tolerance, general concerns regarding religion, and the position of religion in social life shall be valued in education. The school established by the national and local governments shall refrain from religious education or other activities for a specific religion. The Japanese Constitution, Article 220, do not purely talks about RA, but it does so about religion in general. The content of Article 220 can be divided into several issues. First, freedom of religion in protected. Anybody is free to follow or not to follow any belief or religion. Changing religion is part of human right protected and guaranteed by the Constitution. According to the International Religious Freedom Report 2013 released by the US Department of State, Japan is acknowledged as a country that consistently protects religious freedom, not only mentioned in the Japanese constitution, but also in practice it does. The second issue in the Article 20 is about freedom of religious organization. Establishing religious organization is guaranteed by the constitution, but the government does not provide financial support because the state hard keep its neutrality from any kind of religious organization. At this point, religious organization is not allowed to take part in the political activity. Another issue in the above article is about individual freedom to religion, namely to participate or not to participate in certain religious practice is an individual's choice and freedom, and nobody can force somebody else to take part or not to certain religious practice. The last statement, the state and its organs shall refrain from religious education, means that religious education is prohibited in public schools, and this is in line with the Japanese constitution which guard the separation of religious and state. Public schools shall become public spheres which are free from religious interests. Like other school countries, there will be always connection between the Japanese policy of the separation of religion and states and the prohibition of religious education in public schools. Article 15 of the Basic of Education point to in essence is similar to that of Article 20 of the Japanese Constitution in regard to RE. However, the presence of Article 15 of Basic Education point 1 is to accommodate social situation in which intersection of religion and schools cannot be avoided. In fact, it is difficult to apply a strict interpretation of Article 15.2 with regard to social reality in Japan. The presence of Article 15.1 is to give room to interpret and apply point 2 in a different way. In practice, teachers in Japan are difficult to teach the history of Japan without referring to Shinto or Buddhism, and they also have difficulties to inculcate good behavior without mentioning religiously traditional tales. For this reason, governments released Article 15.1 in order to give room for the intersection between religion and schools. It suggests to practice religious tolerance, to have general knowledge of religion, and to respect the position of religion in social life. This means that public education is not morally sterile from religion, not in the form of formal religious teaching or certain religion, but in the form of general knowledge. In fact, to free public education from religion is impossible because the history of Japan somehow connects to Shinto and Buddhism. In Japan, there are popular words to show Japanese religion. Born as Shinto, married a Christian, and die as Buddhist. This intersection of public schools and religion in Japan is acknowledged. The above explanation shows different sports of state to RE. In Indonesia, RE received a strong support from the state, and this can be seen through the inclusion of three articles on RE in the Bill of RE number 20 year 2003 and 6 chapter and 50 article in the government regulation number 55 year 2007. In contrast to Japan, the state gives law support to RA, and this can be seen from the fact that RA is only mentioned once in the Japanese constitution and once in the Basic Act of Education 2006. These facts need more explanation and exploration from different perspectives. The first explanation can be given by looking at the state's ideology. Indonesia is based on Pancasila that has religious nuance through the first principle belief in one good. While Japan is based on secular ideology that holds the separation of state and religion, the choice of ideology as the foundation of the state contributes to what extent a state gives support to RE. The reason of why Indonesia and Japan have different support to RE is clearly due to different ideologies, non-secular and secular ideology. The second reason lies in the interest of family and state. Families and the state of Indonesia CRE as an important part of people's life, while family and the state of Japan CRE in a different way. For the average of Indonesia families, the existence of RE in schools is to ensure that children receive appropriate religious teachings by which they can live based on religious values. The role of religious education is to transfer, maintain, and perpetuate religious values from one generation to another. The state, on the other hand, has two interests in religious education. On one hand, the state receives maximum political support from the people, and on the other, religious education has contribution to create ethical and civilized citizen. In families and the state of Japan, saw a little interest in RA, for which RA received law support in the constitution and in public life. The last argument presented in this work is about the type of society. Indonesia is multicultural society in terms of religions, ethnicities, and language, while Japan in monocultural society in terms of above factors. Indonesia needs RA because it can promote tolerant peace and mutual understanding of one faith to the others. In order to make RA is meaningful for multicultural and plural society, it is necessary for Indonesia to redefine and reconstruct RA from merely dealing with one's own religion to those of others. In contrast, Japan does not stress the importance of RA because the country has homogeneous society that is more manageable than heterogeneous society. 3. History of RA. Indonesia and Japan have a different history of the issue of RA. RA had become the issue in Japan since the period of Meiji Restoration in 1898, in line with the modernization of education in Japan. The Meiji Constitution was modified in 1945 after the defeat of Japan in the Second World War. And with regard to religion and RA, it is particularly mentioned in Article 20 of the Constitution, which guarantees the people's religious freedom. In Japan, 1945 was a year of modification of the constitution, including the position of RA in public and private schools. By contrast, the years 1945, when Indonesia independence was declared, RA was hotly debated since the inscription RA in particular Islamic education has been supported by the state by including RA in national education curricula. However, the implementation of RA in Indonesia is dynamic, dependent on the regimes which ruled the country. Generally speaking, the development of RA in Indonesia can be divided into three phases: Sukarno era, 1945, at 1965. Soeharto era 1966 at 1997, and Reformation era 1998 onwards. Looking at history, Indonesia and Japan have different stories of RA. Since inception, there was no tension between RA and the state in Indonesia. In 1950, RA was taught at elementary and junior and senior secondary of public schools. It was taught under condition there were at least 10 pupils in the class and had permission from their parents. All matter related RA are under supervision and responsibility of the Minister of Religious Affairs. In 1952, RA was practiced differently. Each region in Indonesia had different application of RA. The 1960 plenary meetings of MPRS, Temporary Consultative Assembly of People, declares declared that RA becomes subject that is should be taught in public schools from elementary to higher education under to the condition that the parent allow their children to take the subject. In contrast, there was a tension between the state and Christianity schools in Japan. In 1872, the government established public schools of elementary and secondary levels and higher education level. It was in the period of Meiji Restoration when private schools were established where law, medicine, liberal arts, and religion were the subject of teaching and learning. There were an increasing number of private schools when the government withdrew the prohibition of teaching Christianity in 1873, and many Christian denominations established missionary schools. The expansion of missionary schools led the government to be more aware of their existence because the schools instructed students to admire Tenno that has close relation to Shinto religion. In fact, according to the government, Tenno cannot be approached except through Shinto's principles. The government viewed that this action was beyond Christian schools' mission, and this in the reason why the government then separated education from religion. As a result, in 1889, all schools, whether public or private, were under government supervision and were prohibited to teach religion at all. Thus, in the Meiji Restoration period, the reason why the state did not support RAWS was because of the issue of Tenno that somehow is related to Shinto religion. In contrast to Indonesia in that period of Suharto regime, 1966 at 1997. RA was supported by the state in the beginning of his administration. The state was faced two types of extremism. On one hand, communism, anti-religion, as a left extremist and on the other radical Muslim who want to establish an Islamic State of Indonesia. One of the ways to face this challenge was by applying RA in schools and made it as compulsory subject for all students, from elementary to higher education. RA in this context has two missions. First, to prevent students from the influence of communism, a state common enemy, and secondly, to show that the state supports the existence of religion. From this perspective, it is possible to argue that RA was used by Suharto's regime to oppose communism in one hand and to oppose radical religious belief which possibly led to the effort of establishing an Islamic State. Another issue that can be compared in terms of history of RA in Indonesia and Japan is about RA in public and private schools. In Indonesia, the requirement of RA was only in public schools, but after the release of Bill Number 2 years 1989 about the national education system, RA is compulsory in both public and private schools, from elementary to higher education. However, private schools with the basic of certain religion have no obligation to hold religious education of other religion. This policy was strengthened by the release of, of the government regulation number 229 1990, which states that schools which is based on certain religion was not obligated to teach other religions. In contrast, Japan history shows different stories of RA in the early of Meiji Restoration, 1872. Private schools held authority to reach RA, but in 1889 the government prohibited all schools, whether public or private, to teach religion, and even the government proclaimed the separation of state and religion. Since 1945, religious education was allowed only in private schools but not in public schools, and Shinto elements in schools teaching were removed. In terms of the relation between state and particular religion, Indonesia and Japan show different stories. The majority of Indonesian people belong to Islam, and the majority of Japanese are associated with Shinto, although not as true believers. In Indonesia, the state fully supports the existence of RA and to a certain degree gave advantage to Islamic religion. Compared to Japan, the support of the state to Shinto is unclear due to the decision of separating the state from religion. However, in 1890, Tenno issued a document on moral education until its imperial rescripts on education, Kyo, Kyoiku Chokugo. The document contains the loyalty and filial piety of Japanese to traditional morality, but this document was claimed not to have any religious ingredients. This claim is not fully true because the document was made by Tenno, and Tenno was strongly associated with Shinto. This moral education that was issued and implemented in many schools was somewhat contains ingredients of Shinto teachings. In 1935, the government allowed schools to give education based on religious sentiments. Does it mean that religious education was allowed? The answer is however no. as religious education is still prohibited, and this point it is hard to differentiate between education based on religious sentiments that was allowed and religious education that was prohibited. Looking at the context of education based on religious sentiments which is allowed, it seems that it is under in the influence of Western thought and method of education that led many workers and students to be involved in socialist movement. To counter this movement, the government allows education based on religious sentiments. On these religious sentiments refer to Shinto teachings. Religious education, on the other hand, is still prohibited in public schools because it commands explicitly certain religion, which is again the principle of the separation of religion and state. However, the situation changed in 1945 in line with the political turmoil of the Japan defeat. The Meiji Constitution was modified. The imperial script on education that was formulated by Tenno was abolished, and consequently, Shinto elements in schools teaching were removed. At the same time, private schools were allowed to hold religious education. For RA in schools, once again, Indonesia is supportive to RA, and not only is RA permitted but also it is required in public or private schools. In Bill of Republic of Indonesia number 20 year 2003 dealing with national education system article uh, 20.1 states each student in the unit of education has right to receive religious education in his here own faith and taught by a teacher of that faith. This means that all students have right to receive RA in public and private schools. In contrast, in Japan, based on the basic Act on Education of 2009, 2006, Article 15, Paragraph 2, RA is prohibited in public schools. It states the schools established by the national and local governments shall refrain from religious education or other activities of a specific religion. This article clearly prohibited religious education in public schools in order to make schools neutral in religion. In Indonesia, all students should receive RA from elementary to higher education, and schools have obligation to provide it. However, the amount of hours is different from one school to another. It depends on what of type of schools, whether it is public school, madrasah Islamic public school, private school, or religious-based private schools. Elementary students in public school receive 4 hours of RA per week, while for elementary students of madrasah receive 6 hours per week. Students of secondary, junior, and senior of public schools receive 3 hours per week, and the same is so for madrasah. In higher education, RA is taught to credits. Since Islam is not the ideology of the state, the content of RA in schools is not only Islamic teaching, but also Christianity, Protestant and Catholic, Hinduism, Buddhism, and Confucianism. However, each religion is taught separately based on the faith of student and taught by teacher of the faith. Thus, there are many kinds of RA of for Islam, RA for Catholic, RA for Protestant, RA for Hinduism, and RA for Buddhism. The case is different in Japan, although the regulation of education states clearly that government schools shall refrain from religious education or other activities for a specific religion. It does not mean that there is no connection at all between religion and schools, because the government acknowledges the necessity of moral education based on religious thought. In 1949, the Ministry of Education issue some notes to public schools visiting religious facilities with the aim of worship of participating in religious ceremony and festival prohibited. Visiting those facilities for academic or cultural purpose is allowed unless children are forced to go. To use religious materials in a class is a skeptic for academic or educational purpose, a skip praising or denying certain religion. And school children are free to form religious group in extracurricular activities. Although religious education is strictly prohibited in public schools, there are some intersection between religious element and public schools in Japan. The fourth obvious is the intersection is in moral education. According to the guidelines of the government, a class for moral education is aimed at encouraging zest for living. In practical level, the guidelines of moral education for elementary and secondary schools levels emphasize having a feeling of reverence for what is beyond the power of the human being, as well as fostering friendship by trusting each other and learning together, cooperating with the opposite sex in a friendly manner, respecting and having affection for parents and grandparents, and being willing to make commitment for the happiness of the family. Our students are required to take subject on moral education because it does not contain any denominational content. Another intersection is in the subject of ethics, a subject for high school level, but not it is obligatory. The guideline for this subject is to teach certain basic ideas of the Christianism, Confucian, and Muslim religions, is addition to ancient Greek philosophy to aid them in understanding their human status. The third intersection is in history class, where religion is treated as historical. The fact in Japanese are the word history. Students sort of take Japanese history until secondary second level, while words history is taught in high school level. Unlike public schools that are prohibited of RA, private schools, particularly those that have religious affiliation with certain religion, have freedom to hold religious education. Article 50, paragraph 2 and Article 79 of the Ordinance for Enforcement of the Schools Education Acts explain that private schools of elementary and secondary are allowed to hold religious education based on their affiliate religion as part of their religious curriculum. This means that RA is allowed to be taught at private schools in Japan. In fact, there are 115 high schools that are affiliated with Roman Catholic schools, 93 private high schools affiliated with Protestant, 5 high schools affiliated with Shinto, 108 high schools affiliated with Buddhist secte, and 16 high schools affiliated with newly developed religious sects. in total, private schools approved by the government and have religious affiliates are to 25% of the total national number. Interestingly, the high number of private schools based on certain religion does not have any correlation with the growth number of certain believers in Japan. For example, private school based on Christianity that take 60% of total number of religious schools did have little impact on the number of Christian believers in Japan. In 1980, the total number of Christian believers was 1 million, and after 26 years, the number was 3 million, according to Takahata. There are two reasons as to why there is no connection between the number of religious schools and the number of religious believers. First, students who attend religious schools are mostly non-believers, and secondly, they chose to attend these schools not because of religious reason, but because of prestige, reputation, or quality of these schools. They believe that this school can help them to go to fine universities. 5 RE and student behaviors. The last part of this paper is comparing the impact of RA and student attitudes and behaviors. I would argue, however, that putting RA as solely variable of student behavior can be trapped into simplification because there are many variables that contribute to their attitudes and actions such as families, school culture, society, mass media, and so on. I am not going to judge that their behaviors are as a result of RA alone. The same simplification may also be made by neglecting the contribution of RA to student behaviors, because the main intention of RA is how to improve student life behaviors. RA in this context is not only seen from cognitive aspect or as knowledge, but also as affective and psychomotor. Comparing RA is relation to student attitudes and action in Indonesia and Japan is not an easy task. In Indonesia, there are many reports of student violence occurring in secondary, junior, and senior high schools, and some ended to death. The Indonesia Commission for Child Protection (KPAI) reported that one in 2013 from January to October there were 229 cases of sudden burns and 19 of them caused death too in 2020. There 2012 there were 1 to 28 cases of sudden burns were 104 cases occurred in Jakarta that resulted in 17 deaths, 339 heavy injured, and 48 light injured. 3 in 3 in 2010 there were 800 cases on student violence in Indonesia. The violence usually took the form of brawl, throwing acid, water, and bus hijack. The Jakarta Globe reported student violence such as disrespectful student this after beating, school suspect bullying that to be plans in juvenile home. Jakarta art student arrested over boarding house assault. Supreme Court Uploads sudden brawl, stubborn sense, sudden killed by samurai swords in school brawl, report. Jakarta sudden attacks with acidic solution. The test acid attack like disturbing new trend. Many reports are also provided by other mass media in Indonesia about sudden brawl, school bullying, and other form of violence. To a certain degree, this shows that RA in Indonesia has little contribution to make students behave properly in line with the existing norms. On the ground that the student receive RA from elementary to secondary, junior, or senior high school. As mentioned earlier, RA is a mandatory subject that shall be taught in all learners level and types of education. Still, RA is supported by the state in terms of policy and regulation, but its contribution to student behavior seems to question the failure of RA to give good impact on student behaviors raise criticism. One of them is that the teaching of RA is too dominant in the aspect of cognitive. By emphasizing RA is knowledge through indoctrination and memorization. As a result, students know RA but do not know how to make it meaningful and appreciable in their life because RA is merely seen as knowledge, not as fundamental values of life. In contrast to Japan, it is difficult to find the news sudden brawl, violence, and schools bullying. Students are disciplined, hardworking, and follow the rules of schools. No report in mass media, social media, or television concerning sudden bullying of brawls. There is no violence can be seen either in schools or public life. The question is, does it caused by RA? I would argue that RA in Japan, like in Indonesia, has little contribution to make students behave properly in school or public life. Some argument can be made here. First, not all students receive RA in schools. Only those who enroll in private religious-based schools receive RA, and only 25% of all private high schools approved by the government are religiously affiliated. Secondly, students who attend public schools only receive small elements of religion through moral education, subject of ethics and history. Third, most of students do not care about religion, and the reason why they attend private religious-based school is not because they interested in religion, but they believe that the schools can help them to go to good universities. I would argue the determinant factor that makes Japanese students in particular and Japanese society in general are tolerant, respecting each other, hardworking, loyalty, helpful, and the like are not because of RA but the art tradition that were based on Shinto principles and had been inherited from one generation to another generation, especially started from Tokugawa region and then continues continue the down to the Meiji Restoration. The Sumlam values from the past had been maintained and handed on well from one generation to next generation. Talks there was a change in society because of modernization and liberalization. The foundation, the society remained firm. This is the reason why Japanese society has entered the modern world without losing their traditional identities and values. C. Concluding remarks. The implementation of RA depends on the state policy, and the state policy on RA is strongly influenced by the state ideology. When secular ideology is chosen as the foundation of the state, RA is allowed only in private schools, not in public schools. The latter should be free from religious interference and influences. In contrast, when Islam becomes the ideology of states, RA receive maximum support from the state to be taught in public and private schools. However, public schools can only have Islamic religion education, and this can be seen in Malaysia and Pakistan. Indonesia and Japan are two different countries in terms of ideology. The former is based on Pancasila ideology, that is neither secular nor Islamic, but somewhere between the two, while Japan chose secular ideology. The treatment of these two countries on RA is also different. The former strongly support the existence of RA in public and private schools through policies and regulation, while the latter only allows RA in private schools, not in public schools, because public schools should refrain from any religious activities. Interestingly, the strong support of the state to RA does not always give good impact on students' behavior. In Indonesia, sudden brawls and violence are very often reported by mass media, and the Indonesia Commission for Child Protection (KPAI) reports the brutality of some high school students in Indonesia. From this perspective, RA is little contribution to health students behave properly in line with the existing religious values and norms. In contrast, in Japan, it is hard to find students of high schools behaving improperly by violating school rules. But this does not mean because of RA regulation and policy, arguing that not all students receive RA when they are in schools. RA is only taught in private religious-based schools, and the percentage of the skin of schools is only 25%. So, and the percentage of the kids of schools is only 25%. In Japan, there are traditional values that has been handed down from one generation to another generation since 17 centuries ago seems more powerful than RA in making students, in particular, and Japanese society in general, to behave properly in line with existing norms and values. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.